In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GIMP for graphic design. By the end, you'll be comfortable building a clean, layered design, adding images and text, shaping graphics, enhancing them with color and effects, and exporting a polished final file. Let's start fresh. Open GIMP, then go to File and choose New. Enter the width and height for your canvas. For example, 1920 by 1080 works well for a banner. Click OK, and you've got your blank workspace. Think of this as your digital page where all elements will live. Before adding anything, set yourself up for flexibility with layers. Go to Layer and click New Layer. Place different parts of your design on separate layers, one for the background, one for text, and one for images. Working this way lets you tweak each part without disturbing the rest, which is essential for clean, controlled edits. To bring in photos or graphics, go to File and select Open as Layers. Choose your image, and it will appear as its own layer. Use the Move tool, shortcut M, to position it exactly where you want. This makes rearranging visuals simple without affecting your text or background. For text, select the Text tool, shortcut T, then click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. Adjust the font, size, and color so it fits your design and is easy to read. Because text sits on its own layer, you can reposition it later without worry. If you want custom shapes or clean graphic elements, use the Paths tool, shortcut B. Click to add anchor points and drag to create curves, building the shape you need. When your path looks right, fill it with a solid color or apply a stroke for an outline. This is great for buttons, icons, and accents that keep your layout consistent. Next, bring your color scheme to life. Use the Bucket Fill tool to add solid color to a layer or selection. For smooth transitions, switch to the Gradient tool to blend two or more colors across an area, perfect for backgrounds or subtle overlays that add depth. To enhance your design, open Filters and explore effects like drop shadow, blur, glow, and artistic styles. A quick example. Go to Filters, then Light and Shadow, and choose Drop Shadow to add gentle depth beneath text or shapes. Keep effects subtle to maintain readability and balance. When you're ready to share or deliver, go to File and click Export As. Pick your format: PNG for best quality, JPEG for a smaller file, or PDF for documents. Confirm your settings, export, and you're done.